NTS CAT Channel Verbal Reasoning Lecture number 9. Antonyms from past paper part 1. Lofty, that means giant, and antonym is low or short. Native mean inborn, and antonym is imported or outside or foreigner. Discourteous or rude, the antonym is polite. Drop or fall, antonym is rise. Tortuous means twisty, antonym is straight. Fluctuate, antonym is steady. Criticize, antonym is praise. Mendacious, antonym is truthful. Strong, antonym is feeble or fragile or weak. Illusory, that means unreal, antonym is genuine or real. Append or compress means to add, antonym is reduce. Reckless or thoughtless, antonym is attention. Gloomy or depressing or dismal, antonym is buoyant or cheerful. Tremendous or good, antonym is dwarfish or poor. Tractable or manageable, antonym is contrary or oppose. Craving, that means desire, antonym is loathing or disgusting. Loathing or disgusting. Kindle, that means to excite, antonym is suffocate or uncomfortable. Enormity or atrocious, that means cruel, antonym is purity. Quickly means very fastly, antonym is deliberately or calm. Fondness, that means affection, antonym is hatred.